Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by ensuring Visual Studio and the NET SDK are installed. This gives you compilers, templates, and IntelliSense. Once done, open Visual Studio and choose Create a New Project. Make sure to pick the CHash template you need, Console for CLI, WPF, or WinForms for GUI. Set the target framework to the desired version so package compatibility is correct. You do this now to avoid mismatched APIs later, and to get immediate build and debug support. You'll add your CHash files under the project and structure code with clear namespaces and classes so maintenance is easier. Then manage dependencies. Open NuGet, search packages, install or pin versions, because consistent libraries prevent runtime surprises. Once code exists, set breakpoints and run debug mode, step into functions, inspect variables with watch or immediate, and change values to test behaviors without recompiling. This workflow speeds development and helps you understand why. You'll finalize by building the solution and addressing any compiler errors shown in the error list. Resolving the first error often removes cascades. When ready to deliver, use Publish to create a folder deploy, IIS package, or Azure deployment and choose the runtime and configuration. If deployment or builds fail, try clean, rebuild, and clear the NuGet cache. Also confirm the target framework matches dependencies. This single troubleshooting step usually eliminates dependency or stale build problems and gets you to a working release.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.